Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to connect Spotify to another device on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open Spotify. Once Spotify is open, you can search for any song or select one from your recent songs and play it. Tap on the search function at the bottom of the screen, search for any song, and play it. Once the song starts playing, tap on the device icon at the bottom right side of the screen, located on the Now Playing screen. Swipe down from the top of your iPhone screen to open Control Center and turn on Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth is enabled, available devices should appear. Find the device you want to connect to from the available devices and tap on it. Spotify will connect to the selected device. And that's how you can connect Spotify to another device on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Spotify tutorials.